When I was 13, I thought by 23 I would be a famous personality. Like, not just famous, but someone doing the coolest creative job, the youngest ever to do something crazy, and maybe the richest person my school would gossip about. 13-year-old me had very, very big dreams and very high hopes from herself. But reality check, none of that actually happened.
I'm 23, but I just don't want to cry on my birthday. I did cry yesterday at night a lot, but not today. No crying today. Uh, what am I going to do on my birthday? I actually have no plans. I don't even have friends. So I only have my sister. जो कल चली गई थी उसके दोस्तों के घर. So she also ditched me actually. But I guess it's okay. Now that she's here, we are going to go to ISKCON. That's the one thing that I want to do because मैं जन्माष्टमी को नहीं गई थी. And I really want to complain कृष्णा जी के पास कि what is going on? Please do something. Do something about this situation if you have थोड़ा सा भी care for me. And the next thing that we're going to do is eat. Why is there so much pressure to be happy on your birthdays? Like, I don't want to. I am not happy. I don't. This is not how I wanted to celebrate my birthday.
I took a drop year after 12th and then I did engineering, which, surprise, surprise, was not the artsy dream 13-year-old me pictured between watching Ayushmann Khurrana movies and Taapsee Pannu interviews. Now I do a 9 to 5 job. I make spreadsheets sometimes and answer emails like a small polite robot. I'm not even close to those big goals I promised myself. But here's the part I want to be loud about. I have had enough. Enough of being lazy, enough of leaning on other people for my highs, enough of quitting when things get hard, enough of planning my life like it's a Pinterest board and not actually living it, enough of living at 40% of my potential. So, to 13-year-old me, I know you're disappointed, but hear this thing. By next birthday, I'll make you proud. I will stop coasting my own goals. I will put in the boring, consistent work that actually moves the needle. I will show up even when I don't feel like it, and I will quit quitting, and I will make myself my own reason to celebrate. So, yeah. Happy birthday, Reva. To the girl who planned being famous by 23, I love your audacity. And to the woman who's actually here, let's get to work. And to the 13-year-old me, wait a year, I got you. Happy birthday.
सो आम्ही गेलेलो FC रोडला आणि आय वॉट अ व्हेरी प्रिटी कुर्ती. आय एम व्हेरी एक्सायटेड फॉर दॅट कुर्ती ॲक्च्युली. अँड आय ऑल्सो बॉट अ जीन्स and obviously boots. But I'm excited for the kurti or jeans all outfit. It will look like Deepika Padukone from Love Ajkal. काय वाटतं तुला? And now we are here at Zudio कारण वृषालीला टी शर्ट घ्यायचे आहेत.
Hi guys. We're back from FC Road, and I've done lots of shopping. And I bought a very pretty kurti. It's SA Halterneck and it's kind of backless. I'm very excited to try that. But apart from that, I'm going for dinner. So let's get ready. Actually, I'm very tired. My outfit is brown color ka top and beige color ka skirt. This year I decided that I'm going to make brown as my signature color for a year. And yeah, I don't know where we're going. Most probably BHS, and I'll have some ऐसे चटर मटर खाने का. But yeah, so my sister bought me this lipstick today for my birthday, and we're going to use this. Why am I using lipstick directly? Let's do some skincare. Moisturizer. Yeah, so yesterday I was very sad because birthdays are, I don't know, I was not sad because of my birthday. वो तो मेरा sad हो गया पहले. But I was sad because I was alone yesterday. So, but I guess I'll have to get used to being alone. यार, it's okay यार. अकेले आए थे, अकेले जाना है. एक क्या बकवास कर रही हूँ मैं. ठीक ही है. या मुझे बाल कटवाने थे, लाइक नॉट द लेंथ वाइज बट ऐसे कर्टन बैंग वाइज, ऐसे कर्टन बैंग्स, थोड़ा सा शेप मिल जाए मेरे बालों को. सो वी वेंट टू अ सैलून एंड गेस व्हाट, उन्होंने मुझे कितने रुपए बोले होंगे बाल कटवाने के. दे सेड 800 समथिंग एंड आई वाज लाइक भाई रहने दो तुम, मुझे नहीं कटवाने बाल, आई एम ओके, मेरे बाल ठीक है, मुझे कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. आई विल नेवर कट माई बाल 500 रुपये से ज़्यादा. 500 भी मुझे टू मच लगते हैं, पता नहीं क्यों, बट पता नहीं. ओके, सो आई बॉट दीज इयररिंग्स जो मैंने आपको तभी दिखा दिए थे. going to wear that. I'm going to change into my outfit. Let me show you my outfit. Just a second. You won't believe that I got this. Not me. My sister bought me this. मेरा birthday का outfit. I was not in the mood to do anything for my birthday. So we have this boat neck brown color का top. It's full sleeved and ऐसे थोड़ा सा free left में. And उसके साथ we have this skirt. This skirt. Can you see? It's very cute. I'll try it. Wait a minute. Let's do something with my hair. Ah!
Waiting around for you to call back. Pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy. I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be. Cause I'm trying to figure out.
I just came back home. I could not shoot anything bahar because I was just having fun. I ate pizza and burger and fries, and we also went to Theobroma and had nice pastries. The overall day was pretty good.
You might wake up one day having fought for things you don't need. Spend your whole life in vain. Was it worth the pain you're holding?
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ria. Happy birthday to you.
What's hoping?